Hello friends. In this video we will try to understand what is Wipro National Talent Hunt business discussion round and tips how to crack this round. This word business discussion round is coined by Wipro. It looks new but not at all. It is nothing but technical and HR interview together. There will be only one round of discussion. Technical plus HR questions will be asked in the same discussion. So together they are calling it as business discussion. We urge all the candidates who cleared online test not to panic. This is just a regular service based company interview process and nothing more than that. Or there are very few changes which you can see, but please don't worry listening to this business discussion. However, there are slightest things which you have to take care of, which I will be discussing in this video. As you know that you have cleared online test and now you are at business discussion. If you successfully clear this business discussion round, this will be the last elimination round. That means there will be no elimination after this round. So students have to take care of doing well in this particular interview. Then many candidates were asking us what will be the time limit. Even though average time is found to be around 20 minutes, but this is varying from candidate to candidate, so it is not predefined. Also, panel also decides how much the time interview should happen. So please don't have any predefined thoughts of how much time interview discussion will be. It all depends on the way you are discussing with the panelist. Yes, it is an elimination round. If you don't do well, you will not get the job. But when we say this, seeing the market trends and analyzing the requirement of service-based companies, especially in India, the requirement of Wipro is going to be huge. So do not worry about elimination. More or less, you're almost there. You just have to put slightest effort and get your foot right in the interview discussion. Don't do any mistakes from your end. You will get selected for sure if you take care of your presentation in the interview. Mode of the interview will be virtual, so links will be communicated to you. By this time, links should have been communicated to most of the candidates. There should be no problem in getting the link, but if you have any problem with the link, you can just contact the help desk of the previous mails what you got from Wipro, or you can also reach out to the placements department of respective colleges. Most of the times only one panelist was found in already conducted interviews. Same panelist is asking both technical questions and HR questions. So you need not worry about how many will be sitting. However, this may vary. More than one person also might be there. But do not worry about it. As of now, only one candidate, one interviewer was found on the other side. It is observed that in virtual interviews, these days interviewers are also asking to show your profile, certificates, marks memos of your previous semesters. So we suggest you to have one or two government ID proofs like Aadhaar, driving license or PAN card. Any one of them will be fine, should be fine. Resume is a must. What we suggest is have them all in one document. You can have in first page, you can have resume, then you can have your any government ID proof, then you can have all the certificates. You can put government ID proof actually at the end. So if they ask, you can show. Then technical interview, before I discuss HR questions, technical interview, the questions in technical interview depends on your resume, your project, your internships, and your subjects of your interest. Whatever you write on your profile, be confident to talk about them. Do not worry, even if you are a non-technical, non-computer science or IT student, even then, please do not worry at all. Whatever the projects you have done, maybe from your domain, of your domain, you can discuss those projects very confidently. Because Wipro is a service-based company, they have given opportunity to all the domains, so every branch is equally eligible to get the job in Wipro. Don't have a myth in your mind that I am from a non-CSE or IT branch, so will I have equal opportunity like computer science students? Yes, 100%. That doesn't differentiate at all the chance of you getting selected. So don't have any myth in your mind, because that might stop you from giving your best. Well, keep technical discussions very simple. Limit your discussions to projects, 1 or 2 programming languages or subjects, maybe from your domain. Be prepared with C and data structures, irrespective of your specialization, because those questions will be expected. And ensure you are aware of latest technology terms like machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, deep learning, data science. These are the terms which you have to be aware of. No one expects you to master these technologies, but it is good if you can talk briefly about these latest technologies. Now let us look at some HR questions. Even though they are not different from many service-based companies' questions, almost every interview is starting with this question, tell about yourself. So be very thorough, be prepared to answer this question perfectly. If you have any doubts regarding tell about yourself, you can mail us. Our mail ID is academy.sadhana@gmail.com. You can send a mail if you need any interview support. Then other questions like projects, your internships, and regular questions like salary question. Are you comfortable relocating? Are you comfortable in night shifts? Such kind of questions will be there. You should be able to manage these questions. Prefer saying yes, at least till you get job. And you can genuinely talk about if you have any gaps. And situation reaction questions will be asked. They will give you some situations and they will ask you, what will you do if you are there? Nothing to panic. Just tell what crosses your mind, but ensure that is an optimistic response. That is, always answer in a positive, conclusive mindset. End of that answer should be positive. So ensure you respond to situation reaction questions in a positive note. Very, very important thing, even after knowing that there is more probability of getting this question about company, many actually ignore. But we want you to once again go through the information about company. We have made a video discussing about Wipro. I will leave the link in this video description for your information. Go through that video and frame your answer for about company. And for all non-computer science and IT students, you will get why IT. And please remember, as I told you, Wipro is a service-based company. Projects may come from any domain. That is the reason why they are hiring other branch students as well. So do not panic when you discuss answer for this question. You can very comfortably say, if you are comfortable with any latest technologies, you can speak about that technologies, and you can say that, see, because I know technologies, so I am comfortable, I am suitable for this job. Or if you think your project suits any vertical of Wipro, you can discuss your project, you can quote your projects and say, see, I have done something in past which is one of the verticals of Wipro, on which Wipro is working in this vertical, so I think I am suitable to Wipro. You can discuss about any programming language, if not C or Java. If you are a electronic student, then you can discuss MATLAB or PSpice or any other programming. If you are a mechanical or civil student, you can discuss about AutoCAD or any designing software. It only shows them that you are comfortable working with softwares. That is what they are expecting from you. So feel comfortable when you answer this question. However, even after this, if you have any doubts, please do not hesitate to leave any comment. We will try to answer all your queries regarding this Wipro. Not just Wipro, for any interview, we provide interview support sessions. You can reach out to us at academy.sadhana@gmail.com. academy.sadhana@gmail.com. You can mail us and we will be ready to give you interview support for free of cost. You need not pay anything. Based on availability of our panels and subject experts, we are ready to extend our support. If we can contribute in your success in any way, we'll be more than happy for that. Share this useful information with all your friends, whoever needs support. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you all the best for the interview.